In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on PlayStation 5 with Remote Play. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can actually use Remote Play from your smartphone or something like a PlayStation Portal and power on your PlayStation 5 console. You will be able to do this by setting up a specific configuration in the PlayStation 5 settings. So to start, I just want to make something very clear. This will only work if your PlayStation 5 console is in rest mode. As of today, there is no way to power on your PlayStation 5 if it is completely powered off. So if you want to use Remote Play to power it on, if it is completely powered off, that is going to be impossible. There is no known workaround to this, and the only option is using rest mode. So with that warning out of the way, if you would still like to keep going, then the first thing that you have to do is go over to the PlayStation 5 settings, and inside of the settings, go into the rest mode options, and then find these two settings here. Stay connected to the internet. Take this and then enable turning on PlayStation 5 from network. This first one doesn't really matter too much. These two are going to be the most important ones, so make sure that they are enabled. Essentially, this is what allows you to power on your PlayStation 5 after you establish the network connection. With this done, you just have to connect your PlayStation 5 through Remote Play, either to something like a PlayStation Portal or your smartphone. And then, the next time that you power off your PlayStation 5, instead of going into completely powering it off, go into rest mode. This is a very low consumption mode, so it won't consume too much power, and the next time that you power it on your PlayStation Portal or your smartphone and you go into the Remote Play application, it should automatically power on the PlayStation 5. If it doesn't work, reset the connection and then try again. Double check to see if these settings are enabled and you will be good to go to power on your PlayStation 5 through this method. Like I said, this is the only way, so rest mode. You will not be able to power it on if it was completely powered off. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on PlayStation 5 with Remote Play. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.